we are going to compute how do we get the grades. The grades, we are going to use this scale. If say a learner gets the scores between 90 to 100, what should we give? We give an A. This one we are dealing with the lower classes, that is the maybe middle and top. What if it is for P1? P1 the scale is different, you can use the scales here. P2 I think they use the same scale. Okay, I'm sure if we work for baby, I'm sure we can just carry the same idea and apply it for the rest of the classes, because I'm going to use the same formula. Okay, I'm going to write the formula and say if, okay, basing on this range here, 90 to 100, 80 to 89, 70 to 79, 60 to 69, then 55 to 59. Is it a complete one? I should first verify. But if did I write? Okay, I should correct this. Seems like I should correct this first. Remember this. This is 60 to 69, and then this one will be 0 to 59. Let me take it that way. Okay, they are represented by these alphabets: 80 to 89, 70 to 79, 60 to 69. Okay, I'll come and write the if statement. I'm going to use the basic if statement. I'll write and say if. I don't know whether I should use the if and to capture a range. If let me use this. If the value in C17 is greater than or equals to 90, and the value in C17 is less than or equals to 100, what should Excel put? Let it put, I hope I'm editing in the formula by here, let it put an A. Then what if it is not like that? If that condition is false, and say if a value in C17, I'm referring to C17, is greater than or equals to 80, and the value still in C17 is less than or equals to 89, what should Excel put? Let it put a B. Then we continue. If a value in C17 is greater than or equals to 70, and the value in C17 is less than, yes, hope I'm using the right signs, less than or equals to 79, what should Excel put? I use the two brackets here. What should Excel put? Let it put that is A, B, C. Then what if that is not true? I close bracket. What if that is not true? Let Excel continue to evaluate. What have I written here? I said if this condition, I missed out if and I think this is right. Okay, then if and value in C17 is greater than 60, and the value still in C17 is less than 69. We are saying let us put this after BC, let us put this as a B. Okay, I close the bracket. And then what if that is not true? Let Excel continue to evaluate more conditions. If and value in C17 is greater than 0, and value in C17 is less than 59, less than or equals to 59, let us also capture 59 inclusive, then equals to 59, Okay. Let Excel put, forgot. I think likewise here, I need to include less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Then I think all that is captured. C17 and 0, C17 is greater than less than. Okay. If it is true, let it put an E. But if it is false, but if it gets when all these conditions are false, I'll tell it to put nothing. So I've used how many if statements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll close it. This formula with 5 if statements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll press enter. So it will find this as lying in that range. It will give it an A. And then we shall copy the formula to the rest of the other cells up to, shall copy it up to D29.